Hello guys, it's Alex again with another video. How you doing? All right, so the first thing you might realize, you might notice right now is that I have changed from the web trading interface to the app, the TradeZero app. In fact, this is TradeZero 3.0534, which is a beta version. The current full running version is 2.09, I believe. So I'm trying out this beta version. My mother got me this new monitor, which is much bigger than my previous one. So I decided to use this app because I can put a lot more stuff and more charts on my screen that way. Yeah, that's pretty much the biggest news today. I almost did not take any trades. It's been a very slow day. Nothing really presented itself as a good option. Um, I only took one trade, which was PTI, right towards the end of today's session, like at 10:38. Um, so as you can see in this chart, this was the previous high of day. It had fallen back a little bit and then risen, and in this candle, it had just broken its previous high of day, and then made a small, very brief pullback. So I was thinking, okay, let's see how this goes. If this pullback ends up in another candle that keeps going up, maybe this thing is gonna keep going higher, given it's already crossed the VWAP. It's been actually grinding its way above the VWAP all day, and it's been grinding here, and there is a potential of it going a little bit higher. So it's approaching the, here you can see the yellow line here is the 200-day moving average. So it's approaching that one. So I was thinking, okay, if it keeps making higher highs, then maybe it'll eventually reach that 200 moving average, and then it might cross above that. So I was thinking of that. I was hoping that might happen, but it didn't. It faded right after I got in. So I made $2.50 loss. Yeah, I took a 50 share trade, an extremely small share, given that I have, and this is the bad news, if you watched yesterday's video, you know that I have reached the lower limit of my account size, $500. $500. So I can't really trade that much. I have to be extremely careful. And what I did is another news, I did close that position I had open for the last 2 weeks, BOSC. It was like grinding very slowly upwards in the last few days, and today I was decided, okay, given that my account is so small right now, I want to free up that cash to be able to trade more efficiently later on. So I closed it at a $14 loss, which is good because I was down, I think, $40 just a week ago. So this is okay. Um, and I just hope that with this remaining cash, I can get something to happen. Um, I've already decided that I will add up a little bit of more money. I'll add up maybe another $500 or $1,000 because I will continue doing this. I'm learning, and my goal is to learn this until I am able to trade. And yeah, because the goal is to be able to live off of this. All right, now this is pretty much it. You can look at the interface here. Let me just give you one information about this interface, this app. The watch list is buggy. There is a bug, which is I can add stocks, no problem. And also, actually, good news. Let me just show you. The charts now load much faster than in the web app, much faster. So this really helps with my reaction timing. This is a good thing, and it's worth the $20 extra that it costs a month. But this one is faulty. I can add stocks with no problem. I can even overwrite them, like TSRX. I don't know if that's one. It's not a stock, but I can override it, no problem. But if I try to delete it, which I can do here, right click, delete row. If I do that, the whole app will crash and close down, and I'll have to reopen it again, which is annoying. So this happened once throughout the day. You will see in the video. I'll just quickly go over the video in a second. But it's quite annoying. Another thing you should be aware of is that definitely save your layout and save your hotkeys, because if you don't do that, once it crashes, it gets back to a blank screen. You don't want a blank screen after this. This took, I mean, it doesn't take a lot. It takes a couple of minutes to set this up, but I would like to keep it that way long term. So I saved it, and I think you have to reload it every time you start the app, you open the app, the program. I should not say app. It's a program. What else is there to say about this program? The hotkeys, yeah, the hotkeys. There's one difference. The Alt key doesn't work anymore for the hotkeys. Let me show you. Where are the hotkeys? Is it this one? Nope, that's symbol search. Yes, these are the hotkeys. It's a little fiery button. Level 2 quotes hotkeys. I cannot use Alt here. If I say Alt, I cannot use Alt 1 to. This was my previous buying hotkey in the web app, in the web platform. Here I can't use it because if I hit A, it runs all the symbols in the program. It goes into this mode, as you can see here. That's it's a specific problem for me. What's this here? Here we go. Oh damn, I have so many. Jesus. Well, good that I'm noticing that now. Jesus, where did all that come from? And do I have that here too? No. All right. Good. So this also shows you can have a lot of level 2s open, which is good. Anyway, this is it. This is it for the app. And now we can watch through this video at I think this is 30x speed. This is not even happening. Yeah, this is not happening here. Yeah, okay. And now let me speed it up. Actually, let me go full screen as well. And speed it up to 32. Okay, that's too fast. Well, this is annoying. $16 should work. Yeah. Just quickly going through this video. It's not too long. You can see that I have 9 charts open. These 3 here are for this stock. So this is list A, which is connected to this watch list. And this one is my second watch list. So that I can just quickly open up 2 stocks at one given time. I haven't figured out, like I haven't made it very sophisticated. I'm just trying to get everything from between A and M here and between N and Z in here. This was, okay, we just saw it here. This is the only thing that happened today. It went into a circuit breaker halt. I tried to buy, but actually I couldn't because I didn't have buying power. And that was good because in just a few minutes you will see it come out and bam, there you go, it just falls. And this was essentially the story today. I tried another stock today which I tried to buy, and I just didn't have the buying power. So it was good also because I wouldn't have won anything in that trade either. It was especially good on this one, PULM. But as soon as I had figured out my buying power issue, which was the remaining position I had open, I could make that last trade that I did at the very end, which I didn't win anything. Yeah, I was just watching. BOXL here on the right was doing a nice move, but it didn't hold that, and essentially none of these stocks did anything of interest. I didn't see anything that was a good opportunity to get into a stock. In fact, all of them, you know, maybe hit like a new high of day or some high, but then started fading. All of them without exception. we're halfway through. I'm going to stop the video because there's not much more to tell you here. Oh, there, here you go. You see the crash. It crashed, and I had to restart it all and load my layout, which I had saved before. Oh yeah, the one thing I want to mention to you is that I do not. Well, now have two monitors, right? I have my old monitor, which I'm using as a side monitor. But given that my old monitor is smaller, I cannot pull the program window across both screens without reducing its size on this screen, and it's going to be really a bad size. It's going to be like from here to here, just this way, and there's going to be the half of the screen or like a third of the screen on top, which is going to be empty. So that's not really convenient. Otherwise, I could pull this out on the other monitor and put these charts on the other monitor. But I found that this actually works kind of okay. It still is a lot of charts to look over, and I have to get used to just keeping an eye on all of them. It's good practice to have them, and in any case, yeah, like this this works so far, and I can have then other windows and other things on my secondary screen, which does help. All right, so let me close this and wish you a good day. And wish me good luck that I can start making more money in the future. Goodbye.